Yo, what's up everyone? In this video I'm gonna show you how you can snipe tokens early without getting rugged. For the purpose of this video I'm using GMGN sniper bot. However, in the next videos I will show you how you can program your own sniper bot, which is much faster. So make sure to subscribe the channel and like this video. Okay, let's dive into it. Let me click on the sniper tool in here. You can see some new pools that recently created. The filter risks is checked. This means all these tokens passed the initial security checks. However, most of them will go to zero. I will talk about them later in this video. But at least you know that you can sell your token and new tokens can't mint because developer doesn't have access to do that. Let me click on this one. You can see pump.fun logo. This means this token graduated from pump.fun. Most of the trending tokens right now on DEX screener is from pump.fun. And many roggers usually use pump.fun to show their project because that's the best platform actually for launching a new token. However, this token will go to zero and I will tell you why. As you can see in here, something around 25% of the tokens are in the hand of 10 people. This is a lot, and probably that's developer. He will dump the price. If you look at the snipers, you can see, most of the first buys at the beginning, most of the 70 buyers were snipers, and they still hold their tokens. They haven't sold too many tokens. That's the reason this will go to zero. I can promise that. When it comes to pump.fun tokens, you can see 79 sold as the initial liquidity. Because when the token graduates, pump.fun will transfer 79 sol plus 20% of the tokens to the liquidity pool, and it will burn the LP token. 100% of the LP is already burned. Maybe you think this is a good sign. Yes, it's a good sign, but developer can easily sell his bag, his tokens, and even drain the whole liquidity pool. He can even use this burnt LP and sell his tokens because he has so many tokens, and when he want to sell that, he will use the liquidity pool. In this way, he can easily drain that. As you can see, there is no new mints, so that's a good sign. Blacklist, this means your wallet is not frozen. You can sell your tokens. And let's talk about other options in here as well. If I go in here, you can see, for example, Dev only bought tokens. He hasn't sold his tokens. This is a very, very negative sign. When it comes to smart wallets are some wallets that they usually buy tokens early and they sell those tokens with profit. As you can see, there is no smart wallet in here because everyone almost know that this token is a rug, and that's the reason you can't find any smart wallet in here. When you find so many smart wallets in a project, especially if it's early, that's quite a good sign. There is no KOL in here, no whale. However, most of the tokens are in the hands of, dev and insiders or rats. There's actually not many rats in here. Very low, something around in less than $1. Rats are some people that receive, tokens. They receive airdrop. For example, when it comes to some solid projects, some legit ones, they airdrop a portion of the tokens to some community members or some famous people like Andrew Tate. So that's quite good. and it's a marketing strategy. But for most of these rug projects, they usually transfer a portion of tokens because they want to have many wallets to sell. And in this way, people can see, for example, dev holds a big portion of the supply. So if you see so many rats in a project, that's a very negative sign. As you can see in here, the SOL number, the total liquidity in the pool, is now below 79 SOL because developer drained the liquidity pool. This will go to zero. Now let me show you other tokens as well in here. For example, let's choose this one. Okay, this is not from pump.fun website. That's the reason there is no pump.fun logo. And when you see the initial liquidity for this token is 0.5 SOL, which is very low. However, you can see, for example, the value is a lot. You can see in here, especially when this person launches his token. You can see, for example, there is something around $100,000 in the liquidity pool. That's actually fake because these tokens locked in the liquidity pool, and when the scammer increased the price by using bots, that shows a lot of money in the pool. However, that's fake. And when the price goes to zero, you can see all this, for example, 5,000 is almost, for example, $5 or $10. You can see in here, he's rugging this project. This will go even below 0.5. I know this person. He launched new projects almost every minute or even every 30 seconds. You can see in here his past projects, his past rugs. However, the number of them are much more than this. We call these people some rug factories, and there is a strategy that you can use to actually gain profit from these people, because these people know how to pump a token, and if you can find their new launches, you can invest early, snipe them early, and take profit. But you should be fast, because if you don't take profit, that will go to zero, like right now. As you can see, he usually doesn't burn the liquidity, and sometimes I've seen he burnt that, but that's 0.5 SOL, which is nothing. You can see in here there is no smart wallet, there is no person, but there are so many insiders, sorry. There are so many insiders, there are so many rats, and all of them sold their tokens because all of these people are actually developer. I think that's enough. We got familiar with different options. Now let's talk about different features that GMGN website has. For example, you can click on this option to, for security checks, to make sure tokens has no mint, no blacklist, and the LP already burnt. You can, for example, click on age. I'm looking for some tokens in the last 6 hours. For the liquidity, something around more than $10,000. For holders, I'm looking for more than 100 holders, and transactions over 200 for something around 1,000 transactions in 6 hours. And let's see what we have in here. I don't know why the dev option doesn't work. Probably they will add that again. Let me click on one of these. There are so many interesting things in here. As you can see, the DEX screener updated for this token. Maybe, and you can see it's already advertised on DEX screener, which is another positive sign. The Twitter renamed You can see the previous name, and it's a CTO project. That's it. This project is a CTO, which means the developer already rugged the project, and now the community decided to take over that. And that's the reason it's pumping. Actually, the community pumped that, and because of that, you can see Dex screener socials updated, Twitter updated, and this is great. And you can see so many transactions over the past 1 hour. This is a great sign, and it's already graduated from pump.fun. I really love this kind of tokens. However, you can't find so many there is no smart wallet. There is one whale who sold most of his tokens. We have to dive deeper for this one. The top 10 hold something around 70%. That's okay. You can see in here the person already rugged the project before, but now community took over this. Developer already sold his tokens in here at the top. Sometimes when it comes to these CTO projects, those CTOs are fake, and the rugger tries to rug the community for the second time. I will record a video about this in another video, so make sure to subscribe the channel. Now let's say we want to buy one of these tokens, for example this one. You have to click on swap. Okay, I did a mistake. I don't want to use their Telegram bot. I want to connect my Telegram to GMGN website, because in this way trades will be much faster. So in here you have to click on auto and connect your Telegram. Click on allow, and now you can see your wallet address. You have to transfer some fund in here, and after that just click on login website, and as you can see my wallet connected to GMGN website. Now if you already transferred some money to your wallet, you can purchase any tokens that you want as quick as a flash. You only have to click on buy and it will buy immediately. Right now you don't have any fund in my wallet, but if I want, I have to transfer that to this wallet address. This is quite fast. However, in the next videos I will show you how to use BullX as well, which is another great tool for trading. I really hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join my Telegram channel. Cheers viewers, hope to see you in my next videos.